What we're going to be looking at is this connection timeout issue when trying to connect to an instance. So let me just do it again. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So the first thing I like to do when troubleshooting anything that could be network related is I want to look at my connection to anywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to here and we're going to find the telnet feature, make sure that is checked, and then we are going to try to connect to the port. So I'm going to do telnet, and then we're going to do your domain.com and then SSH. Boom, we're good. So no issue coming from my side, which means we can go ahead and begin troubleshooting. Close out of this, and then we're going to go ahead into our Amazon Web Service here. The first place you want to look is your security group. So I have mine open here in this this panel, but you want to make sure that you have this port here, and then you have an IP that works for you. This is pretty much open to anybody, so I use this for troubleshooting purposes, but you may want to be more specific. So if you don't actually have this, you'll go here, and then for security, select it here, and then edit, and then you can add the rule in here, and then you will save the rule. So next, we're going to be looking at our NACL. So here VPC, and then here, and we want to make sure we're not denying anything. So here, everything is allowed. Okay, perfect. All right, and now we're going to look into our internet gateway and make sure we have one. If you don't have one, create, and then you'll create one, and then you'll attach the gateway to your VPC. All right, so now we're good here, and for the next step would be looking at the route table in here, and then we'll look at our routes, and this is our issue in here. You need to have a route to your internet gateway. So we're gonna go here and add a route, and then 00, and then we need to find the internet gateway. Mine is called first IGW, and I'm gonna hit save routes and then close. So now if I was to open up my command prompt, and then I would run the command SSH, and then I will need to find my file here. So I'm just gonna pause it. Now I have the path. Now we just need to put EC2 user at, and then get the IP of the instance. And jump back into this, and there we go.